What is up, YouTube tool tubers of the world? My name is Brad. Welcome to the workbench, and looky what I got. I got me a pallet. And you would be correct in thinking, yes, this is my entry into the one pallet challenge as my kids run away from me. So this is definitely not a choice pallet, but it's what I could find. My pallet connect kind of dried up all of a sudden. Now this was only one of many difficulties I didn't know at this time I was about to face. This was my first time to do a large lamination. This was my first time to do power carving, and my first time to use a significant amount of epoxy. And a lot of things went wrong. Alright guys, so like I said at the beginning, this was a project of many firsts for me. It was full of happy accidents that some turned out well, some did not turn out so well. This is after I put 2 coats of lacquer on it, and this is what I'm going to call it. This is my project. I think it turned out interesting. I'm glad with the knowledge I gained from it. For instance, don't set your epoxy on fire. That's not good for it. Coffee looks pretty cool to make your epoxy black. Just make sure you add enough of it. I mean, there's a lot of those little things. The first time power carving was really cool. I love this look, and I plan on incorporating it into future power carving projects. If I thought about doing something a little wild, I just did it. It has opened up my imagination for other things. So while this project may not be the greatest, it'll serve its purpose. I'll throw my keys in it, my wallet, all that good stuff. And it'll serve as a reminder of my first power carving, because I really enjoyed the power carving. I'm gonna do more of it. I can't wait to see what y'all have come up with. Hopefully, it turned out better than mine. I'm going to go ahead and link some of the tools I used to make this. Some of the tools that would have made it easier to make, like the router bowl bit, would have been great. A true flush trim bit with a top bearing would have been great. This damn drill press impressed the hell out of me, though. So go ahead and check the description if you want to support my channel for any of the products that you saw me use, or most of them. If there's a product that I don't have linked that you want to see, leave me a comment, let me know, and I'll tell you where I got it from. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace! Okay guys, just for y'all that stuck around to the very end, thank you, by the way. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Me and JK Canvas purposely did not announce prizes for this challenge, because we wanted it to be a personal challenge, not really a contest. However, we both do feel that people's efforts should be rewarded. So, we both are going to award a prize to whoever we feel makes the best project. We may pick the same person, we may pick different people. So, I look forward to seeing what y'all build. Make sure you have them uploaded by May 1st with the hashtag #OnePalletChallenge in the title and in the description. And if you happen to be one of the lucky winners, you'll probably be contacted, probably in your comment section. Uh-oh, Daddy got epoxy on his phone.